Hello everyone again. Tonight I'm gonna show you how to make this very traditional Sardinian pasta dish that has been very popular in our restaurants for 30 years. This is called Malloreddus. It's lots of people's favorite and I've had a lot of requests to show this. And this is very well known in the southern part of Sardinia. And by the way, most of the ingredients you can find in our shop, like the tomato, sausages, can make requests for it. And by the way, these sausages, what's special about these sausages is, first of all, we make them ourselves. We use fennel seeds inside. And as you know, Sardinia is a very hot country, so to eat sausage in a hot country is quite weird. But this fennel seeds gives that freshness, so the fat doesn't really bother you as much as when you eat any other sausages. I can't explain it, but the fennel seed has a little trick in it. So the ingredients are fresh parsley, tin tomato, a quarter of an onion, a clove of garlic, which are previously chopped. The parsley has been previously chopped. Some dry tomatoes, chopped, but I'll finish the rest. Now the sun-dried tomatoes, of course, these are dry ones. They're not the one under oil, so make sure you buy the right one. Then we got this a grated cheese that we're going to use at the end. This grated cheese is called Fiore Sardo, and this is very ancient, unpasteurized cheese that it was apparently being made in Sardinia with the sheep milk cheese by the shepherds from the Bronze Age. That's the history. Oh, by the way, I forgot, there is also some saffron here. A quarter of an onion, sun-dried tomato, saffron, clove of garlic, parsley, tin tomato, salt and pepper. Right, let's get on. So we're going to put all the stuff together because we're going to chop all together, everything. So as you can see, I've chopped a quarter of an onion earlier on. I got a clove of garlic that's been chopped. These are sun-dried tomatoes, right? So now we're gonna make this chopping, chop the whole thing together, refine it a little bit because it's gonna be cooked. And the pasta is about 8 minutes cooking. It depends how dente you like. So now I'm going to take you stage by stage how to prepare this. It's actually don't need all this much, but this is what flavors the rest of the thing. So what we're going to do, I'm going to show you this in 2 stages. We're going to be frying some of these sausages. As you can see, the sausage I was telling you about. We make them ourselves. We have a way of preparing them. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to chop them like this. And I think maybe a couple of 100 grams of sausage would do. Okay, now as you can see, I'm going to be taking the skin off some of them because we're going to fry some of this separately, some of the sausage meat. I'll show you what's going to happen. Now, of course, there's an abundance of sausage here. I'm cooking for 2 people, but it's enough for even 4 if you wanted to. So this is the sausage meat that has been removed from the skin and it's ready to be cooked separately. Okay, so now we're going to the next stage, which is to put some oil in a frying pan, as you can see here. And so we're going to put all the small pieces of sausage inside the frying pan. I'm going to try to color them or seal them. Make them a bit crispy if it's possible. If you make sauce for lots of people, don't ever put too much stuff in the pan because otherwise instead of frying it will come a bit watery and boiling. So, okay, now I'm going to take you through this stage, which is As you can see, I've sealed these sausages. I made it a little bit crispy. It's like you would do a bacon crispy or something. Because if you do this, the dish, I mean you don't have to do this, but the dish tastes better. Okay, so we keep the same oil, and what we're going to do is this. We're going to put the sausage meat in. There. I had this on a pilot, as you can see, and then we can put the flame on. Now with the same oil, there was the kind of sausages, you're going to prepare this sausage meat, like a mince meat. There. This is actually quicker because there's no skin. Okay. And now we're going to put the rest there. So as you can see here, this is starting to get sort of colored with things cooked for a little bit. Okay, so after we saute the sausage meat with the chopping of the parsley, garlic, sun-dried tomatoes and onions, I'm going to add these other sausages that I fried earlier on, and now we'll chuck the tomatoes. What I always do, I always rinse this with a bit of water, because I don't mind adding a bit of water there. Okay? Add a bit of water. Okay. By the way, I forgot to mention that the sausages are actually pork sausages. So now you can start seeing the redness of the tomato with the sausage meat. Final touch, we take a couple of bay leaves. I'll just use 3, chuck them in, and Sardinian saffron, just a little bit of saffron. I like saffron. We have a lot of very good saffron in Sardinia. Okay, so this is going to cook for about 20 minutes to half an hour at slow heat. It's up to you, you know, really, but I think at least half an hour, slow heat. But I'm going to put some real salt and pepper, and then we go to the next stage afterwards. Okay, now we're at the stage, we're just about finishing off. The sauce has been cooking for 25 minutes, slow heat. Now we're going to transfer the Malloreddus pasta into the pan there. Now this pasta has been cooking for, it said 10 minutes, but I will cook it for 9 minutes. Or 8 minutes, leave it al dente. Okay. I pushed it and strained it. So now a substantial dish. And this is ready. I'm going to put it on a large serving plate like this. You can see it could actually eat with 3 people as well, it's enough. So I'm going to sprinkle some of this amazing Pecorino, Fiore Sardo. This cheese is quite sort of smoky and spicy. We use it instead of Parmesan in Sardinia. And as you know, Pecorino cheese is it's not bad for you. It's not like cow's milk. Pecorino is doesn't have much cholesterol as a cheese. So this is the Malloreddus Sardi, the little pasta shapes from Sardinia with fresh sausage meat, pork sausage, slightly spicy with a finish off of the Pecorino, spicy Pecorino. Most of the ingredients are available in our deli, number 12 Lower Belgrave Street, and our lovely manageress Lucia, she can organize almost everything for you if you give her 24 hours notice. That's it for today, and good luck.